Today we are going to learn about how you can customize the default theme of WYSIWYG HTML editor using color theme option or color theme parameter. So I have opened JSFiddle on my screen, and these are the files which you need to include under resources, and these three are the files for color themes. So this is the HTML area, this one is CSS, and this one is JavaScript. So I have mentioned the themes here: dark, gray, and royal. And I have mentioned this as well here inside the HTML area. So by doing this, you will get the output like this. This is the dark theme, this one is the gray theme, and the last one is royal, which is white in color. So by doing this, it will make the editor looks beautiful, and the HTML editor can be changed to one that better fits the color palette of your website. So you can create a number of themes in your website and makes it very beautiful with the way you want. So this is all about it, and thanks a lot for watching this video.